Loads of organisations are still relying on Windows 7 machines, and no wonder, it's a great operating system. But in January 2020, Windows 7 will reach the end of its life. That means Microsoft will no longer support or update it. And that will make it a massive target for hackers. Because when software is unsupported and hackers find a way in, it's a lot less likely that the problem will be patched. In fact, some experts believe hackers are already sitting on vulnerabilities they'll exploit after January 2020. Can you see why you need to upgrade? You can't afford to leave your business's precious data at risk, especially when the answer is simple. The newer Windows 10 is also a great operating system and a lot more future-proof. Let us do an audit on your technology and advise on the best route forward. But don't leave it till the end of the year. Let's start talking today.